Hi, and welcome to another day at the range at EAA. Today we'd like to talk to you a little bit about our witness pistols and their capabilities. Seemingly endless. You can take one frame and go from 9mm to 40 caliber to 45 to 10mm to 38 super to 22, all on the same frame with a conversion kit and minor fitting. All that fitting should be done by a competent gunsmith. Today I show you a little bit about the differences that you can purchase to enhance your gun for the different types of shooting you'd like to do. If you'd like to carry, you can put a compact slide on the full-size frame. You can turn around and put a long slide for more competitive shooting with super sights, etc. Here's a 22 for you guys that want to go out, just have fun, plinking, maybe some target practice, save a little money on ammo. Gentlemen that want to walk in the woods, go hiking where there might be bears. Here's a 10mm, 14 round capability. And then you have your old die-hard 45 fans. Here's one for you. In a moment, I'll show you how easy it is just to interchange the conversion kits, and we'll shoot a couple rounds through each one so you can see how they handle. Now we'll do a little bit of shooting with each one of the conversion kits to show you how they handle and what the differences are. This is a match pistol that comes with a long slide, the adjustable sights, single action. We're going to start out in 9mm. Very smooth, very accurate pistol. When the conversion kits are fit, we're going to remove this slide. There's two witness marks, little dots. And push the slide rearward. Always make sure your gun is empty. Press on the slide stop and remove it. Remove the upper half. From there, I'm going to create a compact carry piece. Witness marks, slide stop, 40 caliber. From there, we'll go to 38 super. This has a long slide, super sights for more competitive shooting. .45. To your 10mm. And now for a 22. So now you've seen the versatility of the witness pistols. On one platform, you can go from hunting to self-defense, to competition, to just downright fun target shooting. For more information, go to eaacorp.com.